And welcome back. So we do have mainly clear skies across most of our viewing area right now. A few clouds off to our east. Mostly sunny skies were the story as we went through the day today, but a little bit more of a northerly or easterly wind, which is a cool flow for us. Temperatures did stay on the cool side, only around 34 for a high temperature, and we've since fallen to 22 in Scottsbluff. Wind east-southeast around 7, making the wind chill at 13 degrees. Here's a look at the current temperatures around the region. So Harrisburg at 25, Harrison at 19, so is Chadron. Alliance and Oshkosh at 17, Kimball and Sydney into the upper 20s and lower 30s. The warmest air from Cheyenne points off to the north, some low to mid 30s out into our western counties. The wind is flipping around to more of a southerly or westerly direction, so those two directions are mild and dry. So that is going to be the story over the next couple of days. So we had our cool down today, and finally we're really going to start warming up as we approach the weekend. Wind speeds right now around 10 to 15 miles per hour. So as you make your way into our western counties, the wind is going to be a lot stronger. High wind warning from Wheatland, Chugwater, I-25 into the higher elevations just off to the west. It will go into effect at the top of the hour and will last all the way until Friday at 2 p.m. So watch out traveling in that area. From Scottsbluff points off to the west, mainly clear skies, partly cloudy to mostly clear skies into our eastern counties, but we are staying mainly dry across the region. So surface map shows that here's that high pressure system we've been tracking. It went to our north, so we got that northerly and easterly wind today. So cool air from the Arctic did kind of filter into our forecast area. You can see the leading edge of the cool air is just off to our south, but a warm front's making its way through. High pressure to our south and west is really going to warm us up with that southerly and westerly flow over the next few days. So as for that ice storm, it looks like it is dissipating, moving into the south. It's just some plain rain as they will warm up over the next few days out in that direction. So as for the skycast, could have a few more clouds into our eastern counties, but mostly clear to partly cloudy skies. The story overnight. We're actually going to rise during the overnight from the upper teens into the mid-20s just after daybreak tomorrow. Continue to rise into the lower and maybe some mid-40s with sunshine, that nice dry westerly wind for your Friday. A few clouds into Saturday morning. Saturday's lows in some areas could be very warm, into the low to mid-30s with the clouds and that westerly wind. And as for Saturday's high by the afternoon, we're back to sunshine, mid-40s for most of us. So the warm-up does really continue. We are staying dry. The warm front's actually coming through as of now. High pressure to our south is going to be in charge, giving us that nice warm sector. The cool air is barely going to touch us as we go through the end of the weekend, as we will stay into the low to mid-40s for quite some time. So the milder air here, there's that jet stream to our north. The cool air is now going to pool into the Midwest and Northeast, and some snow is going to be over the Great Lakes states. Another system is heading through the Rockies off the west coast. Some rain and snow out in that direction. It doesn't look like this is going to make it over the Rockies and get into our forecast area as we stay mainly dry through the next week. So low to mid-40s Friday and Saturday, lots of sunshine, a little windy on Saturday, 44 on Sunday, partly cloudy, and mostly cloudy. We'll just put a 10% chance of moisture on Monday, a little cooler. That cold front does get into our forecast area a little, so we're down to 39, little wind. And then Tuesday into Wednesday, sunny to partly cloudy, low to mid-40s, another 10% chance of some rain or snow showers. Thursday, that's it for the moisture, otherwise mostly cloudy. Thursday of next week, high of 39. Travis?
Thanks, Justin. Not all heroes wear capes. In fact, some wear brown jackets and deliver packages. We're of course referring to UPS drivers. One specifically who rescued a woman stuck in Wisconsin winter weather for 45 minutes. Marcus Arsfald joins us with a heartwarming